Aren't
you
sick
of super cut up videos?
Seriously.
Like, I don't even know what it's really called. I think it's called, I thought it was called stop motion.
But then
apparently
we
not.
had a conversation about stop motion being like pictures.
Like pictures moving.
Yeah, like
I'll actually link you to a really, really cool one down there.
stop motion, that is.
Stop motion, yeah.
Yeah.
But like, I feel like especially music videos, they're all like super cut up, like you know, it's like cut. Like,
I want to start singing one right
I know,
now.
right? But seriously though, it was really cool when people started like using it all the time.
Yeah, you know.
But
overused.
what you gonna do? You know, what you gonna do? That's a rant. Gosh.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What? I feel like, ow, ow. She kicked my butt. Oh, that is her foot. That is her foot.
I'll show you afterwards.
Editing. So fun. So cute. So cute. All wrapped up like a little Eskimo dog.
Please tell me you could hear that snoring.
Lacey, what are you gonna do with a check? You gonna buy something?
Lacey, give me the check. Whoa. Hey, ouch. Give me the check. What are you gonna do with this? Huh? What are you gonna do with this?
She's gonna go shopping.
Shopping?
You gonna go shopping, Lacey? You gonna go
Buy
shopping?
some kibbles and bits, huh?
Shopping. She'll buy herself something to claim. Meow.
Welcome to the World Championship of Stretching, 2011. Our first contestant is the beautiful, the most wonderful Michelle K. Broccoli. Dun 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 dun.
So, I used to be able to put my leg up and touch the wall,
Whoa.
sitting up against the wall, but I'm cheating a little bit. I'm scooting a little bit away. So I got that bend. I don't
Little
know if
handicap.
I can do it anymore, because I've kind of turned into an old woman. So let's find out.
Can she do it? Do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. First attempt. Here we go. And there goes her foot. Okay, can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it? Oh! That is her foot. That is her foot.
Oh, it feels so good.
Oh, wow. Do you want to tell us how that was?
That was fantastic. Actually, I think I can scoot closer to the wall.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we'll save it for another day.
Another day. Another day, another vlog. Until next time, this is Chat You Betcha. What show is that from? From the World Championship of Stretching, 2011.
If you think the Broccoli Bunch rocks,
Click it.
click that
Come on.
subscription
Here.
box.
Click.
Subscribe.
Fine, I will.
Click.
Click it.
Clickety click click.
Go there.
Click.